Drawing for Kids, video for kids. Hi guys, follow along as I show you step by step how to draw and color a fish. Even though this video is a drawing for kids, video for kids, adults and teens will have fun with the step by step for kids drawing. So get your paper, your crayons, your markers, and I will show you how to draw and color a fish. Fun for kids drawing. I will now draw the outline of the fish. You want to make sure that you have a bold outline so that your drawing can kind of pop, you know. So I will just go over one more time with my bold color, bold black. Let's do the eyes of our fish. Just follow along step by step. I'm showing you step by step how to draw a fish. We will put a little circle right here. Then we will color in. We have our fish eye. Let's give the fish a mouth, big smile, and a nose, some bubbles. You can put as much bubbles as you want to. Just be creative and have fun. Now, guess what we're missing on our fish? The scales. Let's put a few scales on our fish. You can put them wherever you want to put them. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. That's it. there you have it, step by step how to draw a fish. We'll now color our fish. You can be very creative with your colors. Let's do a blue face for our fish. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. On this channel you'll find fresh videos every day with fun for kids drawing. These are step-by-step drawing for kids. Adults and teens will have fun also as you practice your drawing skills and you sharpen those skills. Drawing is fun. Okay, we did a blue face. Now let's do some orange color scales. You can do different colors if you want to. But I think I like putting some bright colors on my fish. We'll do a few orange scales and after which we'll do a few yellow ones. Thank you so much for watching, for participating, for making this channel your channel home for fun for kids drawing. Fun video for kids. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids and adults as well. Okay, we did a few orange colors. Let's do we'll do the fin with the same color. Let's do a few yellow scales. Okay, we'll now do a few blue scales. trying to decide what color to do the tail. This fin with the blue. For the tail, maybe we should do the yellow. What do you think? Well, I guess we're gonna see what it looks like when we're done. We'll see what it looks like. I think it's very colorful. This is a colorful looking fish. Very beautiful. Okay guys, there you have it. I've shown you step by step how to draw and color a fish. Please remember to subscribe for more easy step-by-step for kids video. You have learned how to draw and color a fish. So hit that subscribe button for more easy step-by-step fun for kids drawing and coloring. Until next time, please be safe. Oh, we forgot one thing. Our bubbles. Let's color in our bubbles. There you have it. There you go. We're done with our fish. I'm sure you guys did a great job also. Take care now.